Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and this is a tutorial on knitting a neck warmer. A neck warmer can be knit in the round, or you could knit a rectangle and sew it together, but much more comfortable if you don't have that seam. So I prefer to knit in the round on 4 needles because the circular needle, you have to have so many different lengths of circular needle to accommodate however many stitches you want. So this, I can cram a lot of stitches on here. I think I have something like 70 stitches on here. I could even put more on. But 70 to 100 is plenty for a neck warmer. 100 would make it a little scrunchier. But this is just a matter of knitting round and round. And if you're intimidated by 4 needles, don't be. Looks like a lot going on, but there's only ever anything going on right here. And you could do a knit 2 purl 2 pattern, or as this one, you could use a cable. You could use any pattern at all, actually. It'll have a little stretch to it. Knit 2 purl 2 has a little more stretch to it, but doesn't need to be tight. It can be scrunchy. I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was a tutorial on knitting a neck warmer.